Hi. Some pilots have problem packing their reserve parachute in their harnesses. We asked Raul Rodriguez about this problem and how to solve it.
Okay, I'm Raul Rodriguez. I want to explain how to put the reserve into the harness. The good packing of the reserve on the harness. So, first thing is to have this with the elastics and both rescues to one carabiner. This is okay, so we pack. And then it's very important to have only one loop here on the container, only one loop, and very important that with the weight it goes out. If the parachute stay here, it's a problem. Will not go out by the self. So we do again. And then this is the important point, to have like 1.5 meters or 2 from here to the container. Like this, it means when I pull the rescue and I throw it, it will come and here goes out. And at this time the rescue will start to open. If this distance is too short, like here, rescue will start to open here and can grab in the body. And if distance is super long, need more time to go out and start to inflate. So it's important that distance like this, around 2 meters, and that we can throw it and it will open at the distance. Then we put it all inside, and for this packet, like back and the back here, it's better to use this link, lateral link, not the center. This is for a ventral container, so we need to use this, and we need to put it in this way. This way, when you pull, it slides very well. Doesn't matter if you pull it this direction or like this. If we do reverse, when you pull, it stuck on the harness. You can see it needs a lot more power, or it needs a pull on this direction. So the best is like this. The loop of the lines outside and this inside. Like this, it slides. Doesn't matter how you pull, it slides. And this was the most important points. Now is like close the container. In acro 3 is like this. So the other important point is the strap from the handle have a space enough, is long enough to pull it and pull out of the pins. If this is attached to the center of the container and is with tension, we cannot pull it. So it's always good in any kind of harness that these have a space, is long enough to go out. Then we check it and put inside. And now we finish to close. Yeah. So now, when to use a rescue? For me, as soon we feel that we are out of control, is the time to use the rescue. Doesn't matter the altitude, because sometimes we pull the rescue and it goes in the glider, in the lines, and then we need time to pull out the rescue from the lines or pull the second rescue. So doesn't matter the altitude. As soon we are out of control, it means one big cravat and one twist, it's time to use the rescue. As soon we feel scared about the situation, is the time to use it. And then how to use it? For me, is just one move. So in one move, I pull it as far I can. So I pull it, and normally I pull it a little up. I mean, to the horizon and a little up. Never down. Doesn't matter how I am, because if I pull it down and I'm going down, glider can catch the rescue. If I pull up and glider go down, it goes on the side. So for me, it's one move like this, it's open.